The Itel Smart Watch offers a range of features to help you stay connected and track your fitness activities, and one of the essential settings you'll need to configure is the time. Setting the time on your Itel Smart Watch is a simple process, and this guide will walk you through the steps. Power on your Itel Smart Watch by pressing and holding the power button until the screen lights up. Once your smartwatch is powered on, navigate to the Settings menu. You can usually access this menu by swiping down from the top of the screen or by tapping the Settings icon, depending on your smartwatch's interface. In the Time Settings menu, you may have the option to choose between automatic or manual time setting. If you want your smartwatch to automatically update the time based on your connected smartphone's time, select the automatic option. If you prefer to set the time manually, choose the manual option. If you selected the manual option, you will be prompted to enter the correct time. Use the on-screen keypad or the up and down arrows to set the hours, minutes, and seconds accurately. Once you have set the time, tap OK or a similar confirmation button to save your changes. Remember, if your Itel smartwatch is connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth, it may automatically update the time based on your phone settings.